I'm wearing a top, I'm not naked. I've been getting a lot of questions about my hair, what hair is it, and a lot of them, like, it was the same question and I was responding again and again. And I thought it'd just be easier if I had a video out that I can point people to and answer all the questions that you may have in depth. So hopefully this helps you and makes your decision easier. So if you like a sound, what are words? But yeah, so if you do like the sound of that, stick around, keep watching, and let's go. Okay, so the first question that everyone always asks, what hair is it? I tag it on all my Instagram pictures as well. But yeah, this hair is from Boho Locs, and the hair that I use, so I've got the Mermaid Locs, and the color is Bronde, so it's like a dark brown, almost black somewhat, but then it ombres into a light brown, and then it's got like a mermaid strands in them as well. So yeah, so that's the hair that I use. So it's the Bronde Mermaid Locs. And it's actually crochet locks, so it's not individual. I came across this brand and I saw it was crochet and I was like, okay, so they come ready done, so it's hard for anyone to get wrong. And how much did I use? Now I have props for this. So this is the pack, can you see it? There we go. So I still have some left from the pack that I used. You buy one pack, how much does it cost as well? I think it's 100 and I'm gonna put the price up, but I remember I was like, I need to find a code, and they had, I think when you sign up you get 15% off or 20% off or something. But also Lizzie Loves, I'll link her code below, I'm not sure if it still works, but she had done a video with them and she had a code out that was 20% off. You can't use two at once, I tried. You can't. So I used one pack and I had that much left. So yeah, that is the hair, and like I said, I've got enough left there, and I feel like some of it can be reusable as well. Like when I take it out, especially these, the actual locks, the ones that are still looking good, I'm gonna keep them and see if we can reuse them. So when I buy it, I will have to buy another pack still though. But after that one, and there'll be some left over from there, and when I've had my hair done and I've taken it out, I won't have to buy for the third time, I don't think. So the third time I do my hair, I won't have to pay. So it's like, buy two, get one free. And don't quote me, this isn't what they've said. This is just the method that I'm planning to use. How long does it last? That's what a lot of people say, or how long have you had it in for? I've had this in for 7 weeks. So this is 7 weeks old. And again, I feel like it's preference, but for me, the older it got, the more I loved it. So I'll insert a picture the first day I got it done. And it looked good. I like that look as well. It's very clean, but still like, oh, locks, you know. And so that's cool. But the older it gets, the more like, I don't know, maybe I guess real that it does look or something. It, like, there's nothing worse than having old braids and then the regrowth just showing through and you can just tell. Whereas with these locks, it complements it and it works well together. And I feel like I've found my style now. I don't see myself doing another hairstyle at all. Like, this is it for me. So yeah, 7 weeks. So I was thinking, all right, I'll keep it in for 2 months. But who knows, I may even be able to keep it in for 10 weeks or something. As much as, okay, yeah, it costs like £100, it lasts a long time, so I feel like it justifies spending that money. Upkeep, another thing, like tips on keeping it looking good. So one thing I always do, always sleep with a silk scarf and like wrap it round so that it doesn't, I guess, tangle or rub. Another thing I do, so they suggested, I watched a tutorial from Lulu that made the hair, and she just said, like, go through every 2 days and just run your hands through it just to stop it tangling. Have I been doing that every 2 days? No, I'll be 100% honest, I have not. So just imagine if I did, how much better it would look. So I would highly recommend it, and I'm trying to do it a lot more now. Another thing that I do, and this is upkeep, not just for the hair, but my hair underneath it anyways, oil in my scalp. So every like 3 to 4 days, I'll get this bottle applicator and I put in some of my favorite oils. So I like to use obviously castor oil. I might put in some coconut oil as well. There's an oil called Patax, I think it is. My hairdresser recommended it to me. And Do Grow. So I love a cocktail in every form of my life. Every form, every aspect. So I mixed them all in. Now it's nearly done, and I've had this oil since, when was it? Since I did the first set of braids I did, because I bought loads of stuff together at once. so it's only now just finishing, like I'd always top it up. But what I have been, as it's been getting lower, what I have been using as well, another castor oil, is Organica. Oh my god, I feel like I'm matching it. I really like this castor oil because it's, I had been using Jamaican black castor oil because that was all that I had heard of or heard people mentioning. And then I came across this. This is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that. I genuinely really do like it. So it's 100% organic cold pressed castor oil, moisturizing oil for hair and eyelashes, and it comes with like an eyelash applicator as well. So yeah, squeeze the, what was that called again? A pipette, and then voila, and then you just squeeze that in your hair. So I've got like, I think it's 8 French plaits or cameras, sorry, going down like that, and then 1 around the back, I think. Yeah, so I'll put it between the lines and just rub in between the lines just to make sure it gets into the scalp and whatever. So yeah, that's the general upkeep of the hair. It's so low maintenance. When I tell you, it's literally I can just wake up and just go like all I spend time on is my edges, and then like just brush them down or whatever, put in the gel, wrap the tights around, get ready, and I'm good to go. And I feel like this hair makes you look better than you actually do. Like I feel like with this hair, like as long as, you know, I call them the 3 E's, edges, eyebrows and eyelashes. As long as you've got that, this hair is like, it's almost like a nice curtain for your, like, okay, obviously I am wearing makeup now, but I will still go without makeup and it's fine. And you get so many compliments when you've got this hair. Like every day without fail, someone compliments me on this hair. Someone shook my hand and wanted to congratulate me on having great hair. I mean, if you're one for compliments, then I recommend getting this hair. And I think it would look good on anyone, to be fair. And I think it is really lightweight. Like I think a lot of people look at it and think it looks heavy. It's the lightest hairstyle I've ever had on my head. It's super lightweight, like braids. All the braids I've had, like twists or whatever, so much more heavier than this. And also, finally, what I would say is this is a really good hairstyle. If you want to go, if you're in the process of going natural, if you are natural, like I said, it blends. I feel like it would blend well with natural hair. The more old it gets, the more it blends, so it's great. I don't know, maybe some people think it's actual locks. So I'm in the process now. I used to relax my hair a lot. I used to relax it before I started getting braids, it would be every 6 to 8 weeks. And I want to like use less chemicals in my hair now, so I want to go to like 3 times a month. That's what I wanted. A month? No, that is not good. 3 times a year is what I'm looking to do. So this will help because I'll have this in for 2 months or more, and then another 2 months, and then relax it. So I'll be like wheeling my hair off of the relaxer and the chemical. And to be honest with you, I prefer it like this than when it's out anyway, so I don't care. So yeah, highly recommend it if you are natural, trying to go natural, or like me, just trying to relax your hair a lot less. I feel like that's everything. That is, wow, this went on longer than I thought it would. But yeah, that is I guess this is a 7-week update of having the hair. Let me just give you another better look. But yeah, that is my hair. That is these, like I said, 7-week update. Just a few tips and tricks of upkeep with this hair and my honest thoughts. Like, this is not a paid sponsorship This is not a paid sponsored video or anything. They have not paid me. I will be paying again to buy this hair. Like, it's just, I just genuinely really like it. And it's got a great reaction from everyone. Everyone seemed to love it. So if you love it as well and you want to buy it, I highly recommend it. And yeah, that is just, like I said, I'm not a hair channel, so a lot of the terminology probably was off. I'm going to be doing a Q&A at some point, I feel like, in the weeks to come. So yeah, if you have any questions you would want me to answer, feel free to leave them below. Also, thank you so much again. We are at 25,000 subscribers. So thank you so much to everybody that has subscribed. everyone that has been watching my videos, all the lovely comments. That I try my hardest to respond to them all, because I'd really appreciate you guys taking the time to not only watch the videos but comment below, and I enjoy like speaking to you all. So yeah, like keep that up. I'm just so grateful. And subscribe if you're not already, and turn on your post notifications so you can see when I upload. But just so you know, it is every Wednesday today and every Sunday. Also follow me over on my social medias, they will be linked below, but everything is Leoni.joyce, Leonijoyce on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and here. But yes, like I always say, if you did enjoy this video, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff I'm meant to ask you to do. Please do. And I'm just rambling now, and I don't really know how to end this, so I'm just gonna go.